us take a objective question, okay, which is asked in previous exam. Okay, the questions will be like this for objective questions on this concept linearity, time variant. Till now we discussed linearity, time variance, stability, dynamic systems. So on this concept, the questions will be like this. So they will give you systems. You have to identify whether the system is linear, stable, or time variant systems. So let us see the given system. So the question is that a system with input x of n, output y of n is given by y of n equal to sine of 5 by 6 pi n into x of n, where x of n is the input and y of n is the output. Okay. Now the options are the system is linear, stable, time variant, linear, unstable, time variant. So we have to find whether system is linear or non-linear, stable or unstable, time variant or time invariant. Now let us find whether the system is, from the conclusions which we discussed till now, let us find it. From the conclusions here, observe the system. So input is x of n, output is y of n. Is there any operations on the input and output? No operations are performed on input. Means like x square, log n, log x of n, sine of x of n. So there is no operations performed on input and output, and there is no initial conditions existed, and the coefficient of x of n is in terms of n, right? The coefficient of x of n and y of n are, it is constant here and it is time constant, x sine sine of 5 by 6 pi n. So it is in terms of n. Okay. So system is a linear system. From the observations, from the conclusions, it is a linear system. Why? Because no initial conditions, coefficients are in terms of time constants. Okay. So it is a linear system. Okay. So linear. Time variance, let us see time variance or time invariant. For time variance, here if you observe the system, there is a operations performed on n. Okay, there is operations, there is a sign operations performed on n. So if there is a operations performed on n or performed on t, then system will become time variant system. Why? Because there is operations performed on n. So if you follow the method, you will definitely get it as a time variant system. If you delay the input, the output is not delayed by same samples. So system is time variant system. Why? Because operations is performed on n, and coefficients can be coefficients also. The coefficient of x of n is time coefficient. The coefficient of x of n is time coefficient. So here the coefficient of x of n is time coefficient. So system is time variant. Now let us see stable or unstable. See, if the input is bounded, output is also bounded. Coefficient is in terms of n. Now if the x of n is bounded, then output is y of n is also bounded. So system is stable. From the observations, so system is linear system and time variant system and stable system. Where is the option? Option A, linear, stable, time variant. Okay, this is how we can solve easily. If you understand, not only knowing the concepts, you have to analyze the problem, then we can easily solve objective questions. Okay. So for for civil service exam, in engineering, you can go to by civil services by taking a optional subject. So optional subjects available are electrical engineering, mechanical and civil. So by taking EE paper as optional, you can score good marks. Okay, optional 1, optional 2, 250 plus 250, 500 marks. So here you can score 500. And the advantages of taking EE optional is, if you solve this question, we already solved this, 10 marks. If your answer is right, you will definitely get 10 marks. So there is a scope for getting the more marks. But what disadvantage is vast syllabus. Disadvantage is syllabus is very lengthy. So entire signal systems. Okay, so 10 marks. So like that we have different subjects, right? So syllabus is vast, but if you don't skip any content, then you can definitely score well in optional subject. And ESC, engineering service exam. This is also objective and descriptive. Objective and descriptive. So here also you have to should not leave any topic in the syllabus. And for gate also you should not leave any topic, and it is objective oriented. So first point, don't leave any topic in the syllabus. So cover 100% syllabus. First point is cover 100% syllabus. Second point, solve as many problems, and from the problems you observe, analyze the problems and draw the conclusions and remember the conclusions. So after recalling the concepts, don't skip the syllabus. From after reading the syllabus, you analyze the syllabus and draw conclusions and apply it. Practice previous problems. Okay, so first don't skip the syllabus and practice more problems. Before that, cover the syllabus and remember the conclusions.